What's up, guys? I'm Bradshaw, and today I want to talk to you about the Tusk 2-track recall. Now, about 900 Tusk 2-track tires were just recalled from Rocky Mountain because there was a problem with the vulcanization. Basically, lugs were separating from the actual carcass and coming off on the freeway. No actual flats or failures took place, so that's a really good thing. But if you're running a Tusk tire, currently a 2-track, and you want an equivalent, if you will, a name brand tire replacement, take a look behind me right here. Take a look at the tread patterns. I've got these two options right here. I can offer this one to you for $220, and I can offer you this one for $140. Ugh. If you have a Tusk tire 2-track that has a date code right here, so take a look on the side of the tire. This here is the date code. This particular tire was made the 5th week of 2024. If your Tusk 2-track was made between the weeks of 43-23, so the 43rd week of 23 or 02-24, the 2nd week of 2024 is going to fall into that warranty or that recall status. I don't know exactly what Tusk is going to do with those, whether they're going to refund your money or have you ship it back or how it's going to work. But if you have one of those tires on your bike now and you want to get it off just to be safe, I've got two other tire options that we just showed you that I can get out to you quickly. But right now I want to show you the Tusk WayPoint tire. That's this guy right here. This is going to be a 70% dirt tire, 30% street tire. Yeah, and that's going to be the rear tire right here. As you can see, we have a nice tread pattern here in the center with a nice strong grouping here in the center. Lots and lots of leading edges for bite. That's one thing that makes tires grip really, really good. It's not necessarily how big the void is between the tread blocks. It's actually how many biting edges that the tire has in order to make it a really good tire. Anyway, this is the new WayPoint. Harper's on the 90-90-21 over there. This here is a 130-90-18. Now this is going to fit those of you that have smaller or thinner or skinnier rims. Now London is going to show you this 130-90-18. She's going to spin it around for you and show you just how cool this tire is. Hey, when are you going to want to put this on your motorcycle, London? Huh? When are you going to want to put this on your motorcycle?
What do you mean motorcycle?
On the motorcycle? When you want to go riding in the dirt? And you're gonna get there on the street? Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. All right. So 70-30, 70% street, 70% dirt, 30% street. It's gonna get you to where you wanna go and give you lots of traction when you get there. At least that's what they say. We're gonna mount this up to the 1190 and put it through its paces. Do you wanna go riding with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wanna go.
A day in the dirt?
Yeah.
Let's do it. High five. All right. Baron, do you wanna go too? All right. We're gonna have to get multiple seats on the 1190 so we can all go play.
Yeah.
All right, anyway. But if you have a Tusk 2-track currently, until this is made in that proper 150-70-18 size, and you'd like a replacement 150-70-18, I'll be able to offer you a smoking deal on those two replacement tires. In the meantime, this here is a quick look at the new Tusk WayPoint. Anyway, leave a comment. I'm Bradshaw. There's Harper and London and Baron Boy jumping like a frog. You guys are crazy. Anyway, I appreciate all your support. You guys are awesome. If you could leave a comment and let me know what you're riding and why you're riding it, that'd be great. And if you've gotten this far, please leave a big thumbs up. Everyone, thumbs up. Thumbs up, please. And until next time, do what?
Take care and ride safely.
Oh, that's so nice. Take care and ride
safely. Take care and ride safely.
In the dirt? In the dirt's fun, huh?
Yeah.
I like the dirt. Do you like the dirt or the street better?
Dirt.
The dirt? Why?
Because it's dirty.
And we can make donuts?
Yeah.
What? Dust storms? We love dust storms, huh? Yeah? Oh! Bless you! Bless you! Oh, man.